Yeah. Good evening, all. So before I start, can you please confirm whether my voice is clear, whether the screen is visible or not? Yes.
Clear.
So I was just discussing about the data types, right? Comparing with C, just I'm entering into the technicals of Python. We compare C, C++, Java, comparison with Python. Python supports dynamic data types. Python supports what? Dynamic data types. Python supporting, right. In other programming language, if you say x as 10, compulsory you need to define the data type index. Y as 4.5, you need to say like float y. Z equal to city name Mumbai. So we need to use string. Without this data type defining, right, we cannot create this variable x, y, and z. We cannot create the variables x, y, and z. But in Python, directly we can say x as 10, y as 4.5, z as Mumbai. So based upon what value you are assigning to x, based on the value assigned, the variable x is created dynamically. What kind of variable x is? Integer. Based on the data type defining, you are saying it as integer type. What kind of variable y is means you are saying it as float type because you are assigning a float value. Y equal to 4.5. Z equal to Mumbai. What kind of variable z is? Here it is a string, but here as you are assigning a string value to it, a string variable gets created. There is a function called type function. Type of x is integer here. Why it is integer? Because you assigned the integer value to it. Type of y. Type of y is float type. Why it is float? You assigned a float value to it. Type of z is what type? String type. Why it is string? Because you have assigned a string value. Based upon what value you are assigning to that. Based on that, the variables are created dynamically. That's why we say dynamic types. To understand, make you understand much better. Discuss four cases here. Right.
I would like to know, is it demo session which is going on?
Case one, right? Yes.
Is it demo session which is going on?
One second. So yes, we had a session previously, right? We had a demo session previously, continuation to that, right?
I attended 17th, 18th, and 19th demo session.
Yes.
I would like to know when the class was going on.
So
Class will be going on.
continuation to that today, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So whenever we define one variable x as 10, whenever we say x equal to 10, right? Internally, one object is going to get created. Internally, one object gets created with value 10 with some address. Whenever I say x equal to 10, right? Yes. An object is created with value 10, it is going to have some address. What x is storing? Don't say x is storing the 10. X stores this address. X stores this address. Whenever I say print x, it prints. It goes to this address and prints the content at that address. Prints the content at that address. What is the content? 10. If I want to print the address ID of x, prints the address of x. Prints the address of x. Address of x is what? 10307. The address where exactly it is stored. Type of x means what data type? To know the type of a variable. Prints the data type of x. Prints the data type of x. What is the data type? Int type, right? Okay. How to print the content, how to print the address, how to print the type. Printing the content, printing the address, and printing the type in Python. So yes, now observe this case to and try to respond, right? I want everyone to respond, right? I want the sessions to be interactive. Everyone unmute yourself and try to give your responses through voice or through chat panel. Even you can enter your response in the chat. Case 2, everyone try to respond for case 2. If you got x equal to 10 is defined, y equal to 20 in Python, how many objects are created? Yes. How many objects are created for x as 10, y equal to 20? Assume x equal to 10, one object. For y equal to 20, one more object with some address. The address is given to y. Print x, right? What is the x value? Yes, everyone try to respond. What is print x? 10 prints the content. We want to print the address where exactly it is stored, right? The address, what is that? 1030.
100370.
Type of x is what type?
Integer.
Integer. Print y is what?
20.
20. Prints the content. Address, where exactly it is stored in the memory, that address, right? 1040.
4090.
Okay.
Type of y, print type of y is what type?
Integer type.
Integer type. Two different variables x and y with two different values 10, 20. Two different objects gets created with two different addresses. Try to understand what happens internally. Yes, two different variables, two different values, two different objects, two different addresses. Printing the content, printing their address, printing their type. This is case 2. Observe this case 3. X, Y. How many objects are created in this case?
One object.
Yeah, for x equal to 10, one object is created. Now, before creating object for y, right? X equal to 10, y equal to 10. Before creating object for y, it checks any object with value 10 if it is already available in the memory. The same address will be given to y. X is 10, y is 10. X is 10, y is 10, z is 10. Okay. X is 10, y is 10, z is 10. Yes. So the timing of this batch, right? For next 4 days, it will be at 7 o'clock, but thereafter it will be at 8 o'clock. Starts at 8 o'clock, right? Up to the end of the
4 days, so means coming Friday it is 8 o'clock, right?
No. From Friday, Monday to Friday, it will be at 7 o'clock. Next
Mhm.
month, it will be from 8 o'clock.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Can you put it in chat? I'm confused. Timings 8 p.m. or 7 p.m.
See here, today is Monday, right?
Right?
Next, up to Friday, class starts at 7 p.m. itself.
Okay.
But next coming Monday, right? Next Monday onwards, it will be at 8, starts at 8 p.m. up to the end of the course.
Oh, okay.
The timing of this batch, I'm making it clear, right? Yes.
Yeah, morning batches also times changes or it's the same?
Morning?
Morning batch is also there, right?
Morning, right? That is also same, right? That is also Monday to Friday. It is going at 5 a.m. But from next
Okay.
Monday onwards, it will be at 6 a.m.
Oh, okay. 1 hour difference for everything, both. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Monday to Friday, it will be at 5 a.m. morning batch. Next Monday, it will be at 6 a.m. Right?
Okay. Thank you.
So here only one object gets created, right? 3 objects with value 10, 10, 10 won't be created. Only one object, its address will be given to X, Y, and Z. Yes. Okay. So here print x, y, and z, they are sharing the same content to 10. They are sharing the same address. Print x or print y or print z. Yes. Print x, print y, and print z. They are printing the same contents. That is 10. Address also will be the same. Type also will be the same, right? So if you got the same values 10, 10, 10, only one object is created. If x is 10, y is 20, z is 30, how many objects will be created? Yes. Hello.
3 objects.
3 objects for 10, for 20, for 30. 3 objects. Right? Yes. Observe this case 4. Observe this case 4, right? Yes. X and X only. X is 10, X is 20. First for 10, one object gets created X. It is stored at so and so address. For 20 also one object gets created. But whenever you say print X, what is the X value it prints? Always here X and X, right? Print X means it will always prints the latest value 20. It always prints the latest value 20. Address of X, the latest 1040. And what happens to the previous object? Whenever X, the previous object gets removed from the X can store only one address. X can store only one value, right? So the previous one gets removed. Next, if we say X equal to 30, the current one will be removed. X equal to 20 gets right. So here X is 10, X is 20. Whenever you are modifying X to 20, the previous object gets right. Understood both cases, right? Any queries with this, anyone? Case 1, 2, 3, and 4. How exactly the variables are defined, how to print their content, their address, and their tags. Now, data types. Data types, right? Mainly there are of 2 types. Data types mainly are of 2 types. Fundamental data types and collection data types. Fundamental data types and collection data types. Fundamental data type, object to holding a single value. What is that? Object to holding
Single value.
single value. Example of this fundamental type, just now x equal to 10, one object with one value only, right? An object is created with only one value. As some address, the address given to x. Here, object to holding a single value, object to holding single value, integer or float or boolean, they hold only single value. But collection data type, the name itself saying, right? Collection of values, group of values, set of values, right? Object to holding group of values, set of values, collection of values. Collection types, example of collection type, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Here also one object is going to get created. It has got multiple values, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That address is given to X. Here object holding group of values. Object holding group of values, collection of values. That's why we say collection data types. Fundamental data types holds only single value. Collection types holds multiple values, group of values. Yes. Now, what are the various fundamental types? What are the various collection types? Right. Okay. Fundamental data types. Fundamental data types and collection types. Fundamental data types, mainly there are of 5 types. Int, float. One second. Int, float, Boolean, complex, string. Int, example of int, right? Like age 25. Float, something in decimals, right? Yes. Height 6.4. Boolean, which returns either true or false. True or false, right? Yes. Complex 3 plus means a plus ib. In general mathematics, we say like a plus ib, right? Yes. But in Python, instead of 5, we use j for imaginary part, right? Yes. Just the symbol changes, everything same. String, sequence collection of characters. City equal to Hyderabad. Sequence collection of characters. Collection of character string. Integer. Float, something in decimal. Boolean, true or false. Boolean values. 0 means false. 1 indicates true, right? A plus JB, right? Yes. And the collection data types. Collection data types, right? Yes. They are mainly are of 4 types. 4 types of collections. List, tuple, set, dictionary. So very simple representations, right? In Python, list by using squared bracket, tuple by using normal braces, set by using curly braces, dictionary by using yes, same way like key colon value, key and value, right? List of values, tuple of values, set of values, dictionary of key and value. So for example, list of values x equal to some values. For tuple, by seeing the bracket braces only, we need to identify what type of collection it is, right? Yes. So set type. Dictionary, something in the form of key value, right? Yes. For example, name. Name, Ajay. Age, 25. Name, Ajay. Age, 25. List of values, tuple of values, set of values, dictionary of key and value, right? Yes. Name, Ajay, age, 25. So we have got a lot of discussion on this collection types, list properties, list indexing, list slicing, list functions, list methods, nested list, modifying list, right? Only on list we'll be discussing on 2-3 days. Total these collections we'll be discussing for 1 week, right? We have got a lot of discussion on these collections, but in the fundamental type, we have got discussion on string properties, string indexing, string slicing, string methods, string special characters, right? Yes. Let's go ahead, save. Python 7 p.m. Right, I'm saving it as types. Okay. Coming to string. What is a string? A string.
Group of characters is called.
Yeah, exactly. It's a sequence. It is a sequence collection of characters. Sequence collection of a group of characters. So in Python, a string is represented. A string is represented, right? Using single quote in this way, using double quote, and also using triple quote. String, if you are representing anything within this quote, single quote, double quote, or triple quote, it is a string. It is a string, right? Yes. So for single line string, you can go with single quote or double quote. For a word or a sentence, you can go with single or double. But for multiple lines, like a paragraph, you can go with triple quote, right? Example, city equal to Hyderabad. Sequence collection of characters. Each character here, each character of a string is identified or accessed by a unique index. Observe this. Each character of a string is identified or accessed by a unique index. Strings of supports two types of indexes. Or forward index. Positive index or forward index. Positive index or forward index. Positive index or forward index starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Starts from left to right, index starts with 0. Negative index or backward index. Negative index or backward index starts from right to left. Starts from right to left. Okay. Negative index or backward index starts from right to left. Index starts with -1. Just observe this diagram once. Right. X equal to, within double quotes, I am representing Python, a string. Python is a string within quotes. Yes. TYTHON. So got some address. That address is given to X. Each character of a string is represented by a index. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Positive index. We call this as positive index. Starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Or forward index, we say. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Here, negative index. Negative index. If anyone has missed the sessions of the previous, right? The previous session, introductory session, right? You can see that a demo video is given in the chart panel. Can you see? In the chart panel, you can see a link here. That demo video link is given. If you have missed the previous video, right, you can just go through it. The link, you can copy it. Yes. First 2, 3 videos, it will be kept in the YouTube, but later you will be getting to your Google Drives. And also the course contents of full stack Python and Python core and advanced is kept. And copy that links of that course content and that video links, contact details of that online team, and that payment details, everything is posted in the chart, right? You can have a look. So negative index or backward index. Negative or backward index. Observe here, x is a string. What is x of 2 value? Yes, try to respond. X of 2 is what? X is the string at the second index. T. X of -2. Yes, at the end of the session, I'll just go with your general queries. X of -2 is what? O, right? Yes. X of 2 is T. Yes. We may ask, already positive index we have got, why again negative index requires? If I take a very big string of more than 100 characters and I'm asking you to print the last characters, it's very difficult using positive index, right? Negative index, just to say x of -1 prints the last character. Right? Yes. So string positive index or forward index, negative index or backward. Just observe here, right? So single line comment. Single line comment in Python starts with hash symbol. Multi-line comment, if I want to comment all this, keep in triple quote, end with triple quote. It's not executable now. X equal to Python. Print x prints the string. Print x. Type of x means str, string type. Type of x. What type it is? As you assigned a string to x, type will be string type. Len of x. Len of x, right? Number of characters with number of characters. How many characters? 6 characters. Length is what? 6. Type is what? String. Observe this output. Run module. What type? String type. Length is what? 6. One more string. Y equal to programming. Print x plus y. X is one string, y is one string. If I say x plus y, nothing but we call this as concatenation. Concatenation means adding 2 strings. Adding 2 strings. Adding 2 strings means first string followed by second string. First string followed by second string. Right. That's it. Python plus programming. Python programming. First string followed by second string in this way. But I want space between Python and programming. Add one more. X plus space plus y. I'm adding 3 strings. Python, 1 space, and programming. 3 strings are added. Now you will get a space between this Python and programming, right? String. So 2 types of indexes, positive index, negative index, that is forward and backward. We can represent using single, double, and triple quote, right? Yes. Now, string slicing. String slicing, right? Yes. Extracting particular portion of a string. Extracting particular portion of a string. X equal to Python program. Observe this, x equal to Python program. Extract only Python from this. Extract only Python from this. Try to print only Python from this. Yes. Print. Everyone, try to respond for this. I want to print only Python from this string. Which string? X string. What is the string name? X. Start with 0 index, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start with 0 to
Index 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So 5. I need to give 6.
6.
Observe why 6 means this we call it.
Length of the string is 6.
No. 0 is the lower bound, 6 is the upper bound. Always, I'm writing a comment for your understanding. Always, upper bound is excluded. Upper bound is excluded. Means if you give 5 here, 5 will be excluded. Up to 4 only it takes. You will get n will be missing. This 6 upper bound always will be excluded. 5 up to 5 it takes. If you give 5, if you have given 5, n, the n will be missing, right? It's an index. Even the space also will take one index. Now try to extract the middle portion of the string. Extract PROG. Extract PROG, right? Only these 4 characters. Extract the middle portion of the string. Everyone try to respond. Yes.
Print X.
Everyone.
7 to 10.
7, starting with 7, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Start with 7 you want, 8 you want, 9 you want,
9,
10
10,
you want.
11.
11 we need to give. 11 excluded, up to 10 it will take, right? Yes. Run module. Check this. Yes. PROG. But what if I give in the opposite manner, 7 to 11, but if I give 11 to 7 in the opposite way? Empty string, because always slicing in the forward direction. Anytime if you go in backward, 11 to 7 means this one, right? 11 to 7 you are going backward direction. It gives empty string. Check, you'll get empty string. Yes, empty string. Always you need to go in forward direction, like forward direction, right? Extract PROG using negative index now. Everyone, extract PROG using negative index.
Print X of -1.
-4 to -7.
-4 to -7.
-4 to -7, you are going in backward. Empty string. -4, you are saying -4 to -7, you are going in back. Using negative index also, you should go in forward direction only.
-7 to -4.
-7 to?
-7.
See, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Okay, -7 you want, -6 you want, -5 you want, -4 you want. -3 I need to give. -3 gets excluded. Up to -4 it will consider. -7 to forward direction only, right? Yes, PROG, right? Yes. Now, for example, I want to extract the entire word program. Now try to say using +2 index first. Extract the entire word program. See, for every line I'm writing comment for your understanding, right? All these are comment which are not executable. Extract program. What is that?
7 to X of
7 you want, 8 you want, 9,
9,
10,
10,
11, 12, 13.
14.
13 for you, yes. Am I audible? Yes, MS. You any query you asked, you are not audible. See, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 7 to 13, if I give, M will be excluded. 14, can I give?
Yes.
14 index is not available, but still we can provide because 14 gets excluded. Up to 13 only it will consider, right? 7 to 13. Or shortcut to this. Shortcut x of 7 to up to the end of the string. Don't give the upper bound. Up to the end of the string it reads. Program, both prints program, right? Yes, in this way it prints program. And using negative index, you say, everyone? Using negative index, yes, try to say.
-7. Mm,
-7 to -14.
7 to minus.
-7 is fine. -14 is where?
13 will be going to the last extra
Okay,
character,
that's
but
fine.
-13 is the
Minus-
M character.
-7 to
-1.
-13 is the,
-13 means here it goes P.
-1.
okay, that side it goes. Okay,
Minus,
minus,
-7
-1.
to
one.
-1 means M will be excluded again.
Correct.
Minus
Zero.
1 of, yes, MS you said, right? Minus, don't give the upper bound up to the end of the string it reads.
Oh, okay.
This 3 stem, this prints what? Okay, right? Fine. For example, what if I ignore this lower bound? X of lower bound is ignored. Lower bound ignored 6. Is it valid?
Valid.
It reads from the start of the string to 6, 6 excluded up to 5 takes. Same, this and this both are same, right? Prints Python.
It
Both
brings the, yeah, first it brings the Python.
Yes, Python. Now what if I ignore both low x of yes, both. What it brings? Lower bound and upper bound both are ignored.
The full Python program.
Yeah, entire Python program is going to print, right?
Yeah.
It prints entire Python program from the start
Yeah,
of the
can you
string.
can you
to-
also write the whatever the results at the end of that?
This one I have written, right? By extract program means all this will be extracted.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Extract programs. This prints the entire string. Is it compulsory to use space? Or without space, is it fine? Spaces before and after. In the previous example, space and space.
Okay, it's not mandatory then. Yeah.
No, right? Not mandatory. All these 4
No.
statements, observe this, all these last 4 statements results the same output. All these last 4 statements results the same output. See these last 4 statements results the same output. Okay. Yes. Run module. Check this. 1 second. Run module. All this printing Python program, right? Yes. Yes. Observe next. For example, print x of 0 to 14 with the increment of 2. What is the output? So what is that? I'm writing comment. First is start value. Second is stop value. And next is step value. Stop value, and step value. Zero to 14 with increment of 2 means after 0 index, it reads 2 index. After 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Right? Yes. 0 index, 2 index, 4 index, 6 index, 8 index, 10 index, 12 index. Okay. Similar to this print x of colon 2. Both are same. This and this. 0 to 14 are this. The increment of 2. Both results the same output. Yes. Even characters. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, right? Yes. Next. Print x of colon -1, right? It prints what? Reverses the string. Reverses the string. Entire string in the reversed order. Yes. Python program. It prints what? Python program. Have you heard about the word palindrome? Have you heard about the word palindrome?
It's the same when we reverse as well.
Reverse order.
If
Okay,
we
number.
reverse a string, if we get the same string, then it is a palindrome. Observe example of palindrome, anyone? Madam, if we reverse also, you will get the same thing, right?
Yes.
If you want to say, someone asking, right? If you want odd values means just to give 1 here. That's it. Instead of 0, give 1 here. After 1, increment by 2, 3 you will get. After that, 5 you get. 7, 9, 11. It's understood. Here instead of 0, give 1. Someone asking that here you will get all even values, right? You want odd values, give 1 here. After 1, increment by 2, 3. Again, increment by 2, 5, 7. If we reverse a string, if we get the same string, then it is a palindrome. Then it's a palindrome. Okay. Example of this palindrome, madam. Reverse also will get Malayalam. Malayalam also, right? Reverse also will get the same thing. Dad or mom. Or EYE or race car. NITIN, right? In this way, X equal to madam, MADAM, right? Print X, it will print madam. It prints madam. If you reverse this, right? Just now we discussed that how to reverse X colon -1. Just remember this. If you want to reverse, store it in a variable Y, print Y. Please be in mute now, everyone. I'm getting sounds. Everyone be in mute. Yes. X equal to madam, print X, reversing it and store it in Y. Both results the same output, madam and madam, right? Yes. Bracket extra you got. Run modules. Madam, right? If you reverse also, you will get it's a palindrome. Just I'll take 10 more minutes. String. We have got no need to write huge codings here in Python, right? Very simple syntaxes. Like we have got string methods to perform various operations. String methods, right? First one. Upper method to print in uppercase. X equal to, I got Hyderabad, right? Print. The city name, X is the string. I want to print in uppercase. What is it? Run module. It prints in Hyderabad in uppercase. Second, lower. We have got a method called lower.
X dot lawyer.
To print in lowercase. For example, X equal to, there is a string Mumbai. Print X dot lower, right? It prints X is a string, that is Mumbai, to print in lowercase. Run it. Yes, Mumbai in lowercase, right? Observe this, X equal to India. I want only the first character, I only in the uppercase, remaining all in the lowercase only. X dot capitalize. There is a method called capitalize. Check it. Now only the first character I only in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. Only the first character I only in the remaining all in the lower cases. What is it? Capitalize. For capitalizing the first character of a string. That's it. Now, for example, X equal to good evening Hyderabad. I got a string like this. How many words are there here? How many words are there?
3 words.
In a string, we have got 3 words, right? Each and every word, first character I want in uppercase. G in uppercase I want. E I want in upper. H I want in upper. If I say capitalize, only the first character G only in uppercase. So X dot title we need to say, right? That's it. Title, we have method title. So one more bracket required. Yes, we don't need to write quotes. We have got many methods, functions available, right? So G in uppercase, E Hyderabad, H in uppercase. What is that method called? Title. For capitalizing the first character of each word in a string. For capitalizing the first character of each word in a string. Yes. Good evening, Hyderabad. First word G in uppercase, evening E and Hyderabad, right? One more example to understand this title, right? For example, I've got some employees' names. Rahul, Ajay, Miller, David, James, Amar, John. In this way, you got some hundreds of employee names. You got every employee name, first character I want in uppercase. If you got 100 names also, just what you do, EMPS is the string dot title. That's it. Check it now. Every employee name, first character you see in uppercase. Rahul or in uppercase, A in uppercase, Miller, M, David, James, Amar, John, right? Each and every employee name, first character in the uppercase. Swap case. Converts one case to another case. Converts one case to another case. Hope you got everything in uppercase. Yes. Print X dot swap case. If it is in lower, converts to upper. If it is in upper, converts to lower. If you got combination of both, all uppers to lower, all lowers to upper. Swap case. Good evening. So comment for each one, what it does. So Python provides different functionalities, different colors for different. Green color for string, red color for comment, violet color for print function. Yes, next we have got replace method. Just I'll take 2 minutes more. Replace. For replacing a portion of a string. For replacing a portion of a string. X equal to, I'm saying like Java is easy. I'm saying like Java is easy. Print X dot replace. Replace the word Java with Python. What is the output you get? Replace the word Java with Python. Python is replacing a portion of a string, Java with Python. For example, Java is easy and Java is simple. Will it replace only the first occurrence of Java? Will it replace only the first occurrence of Java? Or every occurrence of Java will it be replacing? Every occurrence of Java will be replaced with Python. Python is easy and Python is simple, right? Yes. In this way, we have got many more methods like count method, swap case, find, split, strip, starts with, ends with. In this way, many more methods for performing this. I'll be discussing all the other methods in the tomorrow session one by one, right? And tomorrow, as said, right, tomorrow the link will be changing, right? So everyone need to get enrolled. Okay, tomorrow you will get a new link to your mail IDs. So just get enrolled. Yes, this is the course content, right? This is the course content once again. So Python basics, Python operations, Python operators in Python, IDs. I'll show you not on one ID, one or two IDs, multiple IDs like Jupyter, Spider, Eclipse, PyCharm, VS Code, right? Anaconda prompt, Anaconda navigator, flow control statements, looping statements, strings indexing, slicing, concatenations, collections, list tuple sets, dictionaries, Python sets, Python dictionaries, functions in Python in brief, modules in Python, modular programming, packages in Python, errors and exception handling, file handling in Python, object-oriented programming concepts in brief, regular expressions with Python, database connectivity, installation of one database, performing various SQL operations, Yes, transaction management, daytime module, OS module, advanced concepts like iterator, generator, closers, decorators, web scraping, working with CSV, XML, JSON, debugging, graphical programming with Python, Excel, working with Excel workbook, data analytics like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, introduction to data science, Python, Pandas, model in brief, Python, NumPy model in brief, Python, Matplotlib model in brief, right? So this is what as part of this Python core in advanced. Can just compare this course content with any other training site. We'll be discussing in brief. So models related to different domains, some related to data science, some related to OS, some related to databases, some related to regular expressions, some related to graphics. So, and also how to create our own modules and how to work, how to import different ways of importing, renaming, reloading, right? And apart from this, people who wants to go for full stack. So the framework, the Django framework for full stack Python, right? Django, the framework of Python. So here we'll be developing 15 to 20 applications, right? Yes, Django views, Django templates, Django admin models, advanced concepts, right? And UI technologies, you'll be given knowledge on UI technologies, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, everything in brief, right? And MySQL. So this is okay.
Excuse me, one question.
1 second.
Uh,
Give me 1 second. 1 second. So as I said, Python, see the duration, right? Python 4, Python advanced application oriented is what the Python 4 advanced. So like not like 45 hours, it's like 70 hours we'll be spending, nearly 2 months duration, right? 70 hours like 2 months. Python 4 advanced application oriented modules. The fee structure is 6,000 for it. Apart from this, people who wants to go for full stack. Yes, apart from Python, you'll be given knowledge on web development technologies, right? First, on web development like HTML, I'll be discussing on HTML, CSS, JavaScript in brief, plus Django framework, right? With 15 to 20 applications you'll be developing along with me parallelly, right? Plus REST API, plus a project. So for all these four, that's it takes nearly like 60 hours for this. Fee structure will be 8K for this, and combinedly like 70 plus 60 nearly 130 hours. It takes nearly 4 months for this full stack, right? The fee structure is 8 plus 6 plus 8, it's 14K for total full stack. But if a single payment, right? Yes, if you're taking the total full stack with a single payment, it's 12K, right? Yes. And if you want to go, if you doesn't have 4 months of time, right? So Monday to Friday, go with Python, and Saturdays and Sundays, weekend batches are there, right? For this web development and Django, where you can go parallelly, where web development doesn't require any Python knowledge. Even Django introductory, that architecture by the time of your Python gets completed, right? And you'll be getting the session video daily basis for all this Python, web development, Django, all this, right? You'll be getting the video, classroom notes, soft copy of these notes, and assignments and tasks to work with. So based on these assignments only, you can get command, right? And a WhatsApp group will be created tomorrow, right? Tomorrow a WhatsApp group will be created for these technical discussions. And from tomorrow, you'll be getting the videos to your Google Drive, notes to your mail ID or to your WhatsApp group. And WhatsApp tomorrow it will be created, right? So get enrolled. And once you do the payment, right, don't forget to share the screenshot of your payment to DURGASOFT online training @gmail.com. They should have provided in that message, right? You can check that message. So DURGASOFT online training @gmail.com, right? In the first, one more message is given in the starting. So in that you can see the payment details, everything is given in that. So yes, and the sessions will be interactive where you people should keep on responding. whether your answers are correct or wrong. I want the sessions to be interactive. So it's not me speaking and going off for both the side interaction, right? Sessions. At any part of time, you can ask the queries, unmute yourself, and you can ask the query through voice or through chat. Now, if you got any queries related to this course, anything, right? You can go with your queries, right? Anyone. Hello?
Yeah, one question. The videos will be shared on the same day end of the class or the end of the weekend for all classes at one
No,
time?
no, no, no. For example, today, now it's, I said the next 4 days class will be at 7, starts at 7, but later it will be starting at 8 to 9, 8 o'clock it starts. Class, okay. So you will be getting today's video tomorrow early morning, tomorrow morning, first hour, you'll be getting the video.
Okay, tomorrow
Today's-
morning.
Yeah, today's video, right? You will be getting tomorrow morning, early hour, first hour, right? By 10
So
o'clock.
we no need to ask specifically, please record the
No,
video,
no,
share
no.
like that.
First time, you will be getting a Google Drive link.
Okay,
If you open your Google Drive, right? Daily, one video gets added to it.
okay. And even the notes also automatically comes every day's notes. with the
Notes,
date.
yes, every alternate days I'll be forwarding the notes.
Okay. Yeah, just want to make sure it's not like once in a week or we need
Notes,
to ask for recording.
notes, I will be forwarding the notes to you. But videos, they'll be taken care by this online team, right? They'll be forwarding, they'll be just downloading, they'll be uploading, right? Yes.
Yeah, because we are working as well, so we
Yes,
are
yes.
afraid that we might lose it.
No.
A class.
Daily basis,
And,
we'll be getting the video. If you're not getting, you can intimate me. I'll look into it immediately. But daily.
No, that's what we don't want to keep asking. Please record the class, something like that.
No. There are separate stuff for videos, right? For sending videos, there is a separate online team is there, videos team.
Okay, perfect. Then.
And
Just want to make sure.
even tomorrow I'll be giving the numbers for that videos also. Daily
Yeah.
you will be getting the videos on daily basis. Not a problem.
Yeah, because if we miss a class and video is not there, we don't want to attend the next class without listening
No.
it. That's what it is. Okay, thank you.
Yes, if anybody that's what, right? If a Python, along with Python, if you want to go parallelly along with that is web development and that full stack, right? I was saying. So yes, within once you got enrolled, right, for the full stack. Once you have got enrolled with full stack, right, you can attend any of my Django, that is web development or Django batches, which are starting at any timing, right? Weekends or regular batches, right?
Whom we have to ask, sir? I
Yeah.
enrolled the full stack.
Full stack, right? So in the WhatsApp group, the poster of that any new batch is starting for that web development full stack will be posted in your WhatsApp group.
Okay, got it.
It will be posted in WhatsApp, and I'll also be intimating tomorrow there is a new web development batch, a Django batch who got enrolled can join like this.
Got
I just paid the amount, but still they didn't added in any of the group. Right?
WhatsApp group will be created tomorrow, right?
Okay, then fine.
So yes, so I actually WhatsApp group. I'll be creating it, and it's not from the DurgaSoft. I need to be interact with the students. If any queries, if any errors, or if you got any errors, you can take the snap and keep in the WhatsApp group, right? Tomorrow WhatsApp group and everyone will get added into the WhatsApp tomorrow itself. Right? Tomorrow, yes.
I am a Power BI developer, sir.
Yes.
So I just like to go with Python. Like I think like I just need a clarification. To add Python to Power BI, is it required to learn Pandas and Matplotlib? Like I think there are two libraries which are mandate, which are given by the Microsoft. Is it true, sir?
So okay, yes. See, that's what I was discussing. This Matplotlib is there, Pandas is there, NumPy is there, numerical Python.
Yes, sir.
So everything in brief, things right. If you talk about this Matplotlib,
yes, sir.
generating different types of graphs, normal plotting, bar graphs, histograms, scatter plots, stack plots, pie plots, all this with many working examples will be discussed, right? So, and even this pandas also, right, in brief, from CSV files, from Excel files, JSON files, from databases, how we perform this data frames, everything will be discussed in brief.
Okay. So this is included in the 6,000 fees, right, sir?
Yes, yes, up to this first 30 are included.
Okay, so this is basic and core, right, sir?
Yes,
Python.
yes, yes, core and advanced.
Okay, and like this is my first class, sir. Like today only I've inquired, so I missed out few other classes. Like in the morning also you teach, or any other faculty apart from you? Like
So-
is that you teach?
Yeah. Yeah, 1 second. You can go through the video, right? You can go through the video. You can see in the chart panel, the video links are given, right? If you missed that introductory session, right? You can go through the video link. The video links
You-
are demo videos are given, right?
Sure, sure. Like how many classes were done, sir, as of today?
2 to 3, right? 2 or 3.
Okay, fine. In the morning, you teach, or some other faculty will be there, sir?
Morning also I'll be teaching, right? It's 5
So-
o'clock. As of now, it's at 5 o'clock. Morning 5 o'clock it is.
Okay.
Yes.
So I am planning to take the morning session because in the evenings it is a bit difficult for me because I'm
So
still.
yes, 5 o'clock, and after I said, right, this week totally it goes at 5 o'clock, but next Monday onwards it goes at 6 a.m.
Okay. So Monday to Friday, no classes on Saturday and Sunday, right, sir?
Then Sundays there won't be any classes, but sometimes if I'm free, I'll pre-intimate and I'll take class. Sometimes, not compulsory, every Saturday. Right?
Okay.
And yes, the two, yes, people who are doing jobs, right? Anytime, right? If the shift is changed or unable to, now you have joined this evening batch, but after 15 days, 20 days, if your shift has changed, unable to continue in this batch, you can shift to morning batch also. You need to pre-intimate, right? So they will shift and they will forward that videos of that morning batch daily basis in that way, right? I've
Sure.
got morning and evening batches also, right? Yes.
Yeah, sure. Is the full payment has to be done, or the breakups of the payment, like 3,000, 4,000, or one shot payment, 6,000?
So all these are full payments, right? Yes. It's an offer batch, right? We are giving a lot of syllabus. These are offer batches with less fee we are going.
Okay, so all the videos, right, till the end of the classes, all the videos would be supplied, right, sir?
Yes. Okay.
But this knowledge is okay, sir. Like these two libraries are sufficient for a Power BI developer. Adding Python or
Yes, yes. Matplotlib, mostly this Matplotlib, right? We'll be discussing many examples of
okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, so meet you tomorrow, right? So if I'm done with your queries, if there are no other queries, right? So same tomorrow at 7 o'clock with the new link. Check your mail IDs, right? And also you have got the contact details of that online team, right? If you've not got the link, you can just call on those numbers. You'll be getting to your mail IDs, right? It's fine.
Sir,
excuse
one question, sir. Final question, right? For tomorrow's morning class, can I use the same link, or do I need to have another link?
New link, a new link. If you got enrolled, right? Morning also the link will be changing tomorrow. Yes. Then if you got enrolled, you can call to that number, right? They'll provide that link.
Fine, no problem.
So if anyone, if 1 second, if you got enrolled, still if you not got the link, right? Yes, and if the numbers are not reachable, they'll be busy. Sometimes they'll be giving calls. In that, you can call on my number. It means you can just give a message on this.
I don't have any
One more
but
question.
Yes, this I can provide the link, right? In the extreme case, if you've not got that link.
one second, sir. 1 second.
In the chart I've given, right? If you got enrolled, if you have still not got the link, you can ping on this.
One more question. Today is my first class, so demo is over today, and for tomorrow class onwards, we have to mandatorily enroll, or
Yes.
for this week also we can continue with the new link.
No, see, tomorrow the link will be changing. You are supposed to get enrolled. So you can go to, if
Okay.
you have missed that previous demo, right? You can go to the
No,
video.
I saw the YouTube videos links already. Yeah, that's
Okay,
fine.
okay, then that's fine. Tomorrow the link will be changing. You need to continue with that new link. You need to get enrolled.
Okay, thank you.
Right? Okay. So thank you all for your time. Meet you tomorrow. Bye.